Hi everybody, welcome to my short introduction video on Python. And today what we're going to have a look at is trying to create a guess the number game using the function random number. To do that, what we're going to need to do is first of all generate a random number, and then what we're going to do is to use a condition loop to allow the user to make multiple guesses at that particular number until they get it right. It's also going to then display various messages to them, whether it's too high or whether it's too low, in order to them to get to that random number. First things first, you can see in front of you, I've set out the program with the comments, and what we need to do now is to get started with the first section, which is generating the random number. In order to do that, we utilize the random function within Python, and we use particularly rand range from within that. So we say number equals random dot rand range, and for the purpose of this program, we're going to make it between 1 and 100, but obviously you could make it 1 and 1,000, and so on and so forth, to create that random number. Within our conditional loop, we're then going to say guess, because the user is going to have to guess what the value of that number is. We're going to say, first of all, that guess equals none to initialize that. And then we're going to put in our condition statement. So while guess does not equal to, so exclamation mark equal sign does not equal to number, we're going to print please enter number between 1 and 100. Let's say guess equals an integer. That integer is an input we're going to ask for. Okay, and that's us created our guess element to it. The last thing we need to do is to look at our display message. Now this is going to take a form of a selection statement. Now it needs to be within the loop. So although I've got my message here saying display message, I'm going to keep it in line with the print and the guess input. So if I start off by saying that if guess is greater than number, then we want to say print that the message is saying too high. And we get elif guess is less than number. We're going to say print that it is too low. And then lastly, you can use an else. Well, say elif guess equals number, and we're going to print that's correct. Okay. Exclamation mark in there. Run that then. It'll ask us to save it. Yep, I'll save that. Just call it random. Click on save. Enter number. Start with 50. 50 is too low. Go with 60. 70, 80, 90, 85. 86. There we go. Well done. That's correct. Give that a try and see whether you can create this guess the number program.